Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to set up price alerts on OKX. So let's get started. Number 1, open the OKX app. Launch the OKX app on your mobile device and log into your account. Number 2, navigate to Markets. Tap on the Markets tab at the bottom of the screen to view available trading pairs. Number 3, select the cryptocurrency. Select the cryptocurrency for which you want to set a price alert. Number 4, tap on Price Alert. On the cryptocurrency details page, look for the Price Alert option and tap on it. Number 5, set your price target. Enter the price level at which you want to be alerted, specifying whether you want notifications for price increases or decreases. Number 6, save the alerts. Review your settings and tap Save or Confirm to activate the price alert. By following these steps, you can quickly set a price alert on OKX. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.